Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Luvme. So my last video I posted a wig that I turned purple and it's not the purple I wanted. So I decided to try to add some boiling water and let the wig sit for a few minutes and draw some of that purple out and then come in with the purple, or actually I used the blue to achieve the purple that I wanted. So I went back to Sally's. I got the same brand, Arctic Fox. I'll put the color in the description box. But I just poured the blue in there first, and then I added some boiling hot water. And then once I started up, I started to dip my wigs. Now, I kind of wanted an ombre look. I'll go ahead and insert the picture of kind of the color that I wanted to go for. So I tried to do my ends first and then do my roots last, just so it could kind of tone that other purple I had. So after I let it sit, I watch the water, and to me, when I do this kind of the watercolor method, when I see less color in the bowl, I either add more color or go ahead and take the hair out. But when I looked at it, I wanted more of that blue tone to it, so I did it I think I did it like 2 more times. And then when it was all said and done, it looked so pretty, guys. So yeah. So yeah, I just combed it out and I did my part. I sat down in the dryer and it just came out so pretty. I can't wait to actually wear this wig. But let me know what y'all think about this and how it turned out. I think next time I'm gonna bleach it a little bit lighter before I do it. But thank y'all for watching. I will put the video on the cards of the first time I did it purple. And make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.